I'm telling you guys for free, vegetable soup or sauce is the simplest to make. Let me carry you guys too. So I got my beef, I got my pomo, I got my fresh tomatoes, I got my fresh pepper, my onion, and my crayfish. I got roasted fish and my cubes. I use curry powder and thyme, of course, for my meat. So I put my meat straight into the pot and I sliced onion. I added my thyme. I added cube Maggi. I added salt, and it was ready to go into the fire. Of course, you have to put it first before adding water, because meat itself have water, so that the spice can enter inside the meat very well. And then oh my god, I just finished cleaning. I'll be slicing my pomo, and now I'm slicing my fresh tomatoes. As you guys can see, I don't have to say all of it, you guys can see it. I grated my pepper. At some point I added my crayfish. Oh my god, I didn't a voice record. It's not easy. It's always not easy for me. I don't know why. I'm either faster than the video or I'll be slower than the video. So yeah, this is even when, oh my gosh, I've already mentioned crayfish and I'm just adding it now. Lord have mercy on me. You guys will manage. I'll do better next time, please. Okay, so yeah, that's my onion. I was slicing it. I tried to make it round, but the onion said no. Just like that song that says "Mercy Say No" by Sissy Winners. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you go. The onion was like, I'm not gonna let you slice me round. Okay, so that's my roasted fish. Fish is so big. Like when I opened it, I was like, wow, I'm proud of myself. I got this fish. Do you guys want to know how much? Let me not say. But for those of you that know how to price very well, this is shower and I got it for 1,000 naira. And looking at the size, I'm so happy. So yeah, I hope you guys know that while washing your green, you have to use salt to wash it very well. So yeah, I washed this green 3 times, and it is advisable to wash your green before cutting it. I didn't show that part, but it is advisable to wash your green before cutting it. There are some dirty that oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this thing? I'm short of words. But if you enjoy this video, like, comment and share. God bless you.